Are you looking for a free and powerful alternative to MS Word? Look no further. WPS Office is here to save the day. In this video, I'll guide you through downloading and installing WPS Office on your PC in 2025. Let's get started. Step-by-step guide. Open your browser, Chrome, Firefox or Edge, your pick, and search for WPS Office download. Make sure to click on the official WPS website, usually the first result. On the WPS homepage, you'll see a bright and shiny download button. Click on it to download the WPS Office installer. Choose a folder to save the file. Once the download is complete, double-click the installer file to launch the setup. The WPS setup window will open. Click Install to begin the process. WPS Office will now download the essential components for installation. This step might take a few minutes, so grab a coffee or stretch while you wait. Once installed, launch WPS Office to start exploring its features. You'll see a clean and modern interface offering tools like word processor, spreadsheets, and presentations, all free. Create a free WPS account, optional for additional features like cloud storage and templates. You can skip this step, but signing up unlocks extra goodies. Why choose WPS Office? Free to use. No need to worry about subscriptions or hidden fees. Compatible with MS Office, open, edit, and save MS Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files seamlessly. Lightweight and fast, works smoothly, even on older PCs. And that's it, you've now installed WPS Office, the perfect alternative to MS Word.